How to log into Fidelity account. To log into your Fidelity account, please follow these steps. 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Fidelity website. 2. On the Fidelity homepage, you will see a Login button in the top right corner. Click on it. 3. You will be directed to the Fidelity login page. Here, you will find two text fields, one for your username and another for your password. 4. Enter your Fidelity username in the first text field. Make sure to enter it accurately. 5. Type your password in the second text field. Remember to enter your password correctly, as it is case-sensitive. 6. If you are logging in from a trusted and secure device, you can check the Remember Username box to save your username for future logins. Skip this step if you are using a public or shared device. 7. After entering your username and password, click on the Login button. 8. If the login credentials you provided are accurate, you will gain access to your Fidelity account. 9. Depending on your account settings and security measures, you may need to complete additional steps for verification, such as providing a verification code sent to your registered email or answering security questions. 10. If you encounter any login issues, such as forgetting your username or password. Link in description box.